Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up SMTP with WordPress by using Google Gmail. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your plugins and install a new plugin which is called SMTP. So I'm just going to open it up because I have already installed it. This is how it looks like. You just basically install it and activate it. Now if you want to set up a new mailer, you're just gonna choose Google like so. But before that, you want to go ahead to Google Cloud Console, log into your account, and after you are here, you want to select a project and create a new project. Now let's just leave it like so, choose an organization. Now, once you have created that project, you want to go ahead here to APIs and services and go ahead to library. And now you want to scroll down until you see Gmail API. So we want to click on that and just click enable. And now we want to create credentials. And here you will need to answer a few questions. So just select an API, Gmail API, user data, click next. Now you're going to enter your app name. And basically you're just going to enter the email address which you want to use and click next. Now for the scopes, you can also add some scopes, but it's optional, so I'm just going to leave it like so. And now application type. So on application type, you want to choose web application. Let's name it like so. Now you want to add URL. So you want to add URL right there. Go ahead here on general VP mails SMTP and just copy this authorized redirect and enter it here. And now you're just going to create it. Now after this, you're going to have this client ID, which you're going to enter here. And after that, you just want to go ahead and save this set. So your settings were successfully saved, and that's how you set up your SMTP with Gmail and WordPress. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.